We need to treat each field independently. If we can get our neighborhoods back to taking care of our ground and not trying to push it past its limits is where I would like to see Living Carbon go, because that's where it all starts, is the ground.
Well, Living Carbon is essentially, it's not really even created by anyone. It essentially starts as dairy manure, bovine manure, with mineral, a lot of calcium, which is designed to be a bomb of bugs ready to hit your ground, and you'll get really interested in recycling, and that's what that product is designed to do, to fix that ground, to amend that soil, to turn it back on, to start recycling like it was designed to do.
The problem I was having was that the yields just had plateaued out. So I got invited to a meeting to come listen about Paul Decker's philosophy on how Living Carbon works, and I knew a little bit how the manure worked back in the day when we had the cows and pigs, and it all made sense to me. So 4 years ago we jumped on the program. I started applying it, and he said it would take 3 years, and I've got farms right now in the 4th year, and it works. We've actually cut back and don't have to apply any P&K. The farm is really rocking. So I would recommend somebody to use Living Carbon if they're looking at pushing their yields and wanting to make more money by cutting back on the synthetic fertilizer. It doesn't fix your problem overnight, but you will see the results in that 3rd to 4th year.
Everybody is jumping on board with soil health, and I believe we're making a lot of progress. Ultimate goal is more profit per acre for the producer, and then ultimately is healthier soil, healthier crops, healthier food, healthier environment. It was a hard sell to tell somebody that you can reduce what you've been doing for many, many years and still maintain yields or increase.
You're wondering just what the result is going to be. The first couple of years is really hard, but I'm really glad I've stuck with it. Just seeing how the ground has changed from year to year has really opened my eyes. We did a nitrogen trial. We spread what I normally would have spread before I started the program, and then we reduced the nitrogen to go over it in the fall with the combine and see the yield monitor and see the yield not change. Going from that reduced nitrogen through the full rate of nitrogen and back into the reduced nitrogen was just amazing to, it opens your eyes to how much are we over applying the commercial fertilizers.
What scares me is if we continue with the path that we are on with synthetic type products, we're running into some issues with fertilities, and those are some things we want to stay away from, given the fact that an acre, just the acre in and of itself, is quite an investment. And we want to see that investment carry on for generations. And I really feel that the spread of this particular product over the next few years is going to be incredible.